Fix my cheese press. I have accidentally assembled my cheese press with the base upside down. The nut has now come out. What can I do? Fortunately, this is an easy fix. Take the half nut and washer off the threaded rod and screw the top nut up the rod. Place the washer back on and insert through the base with the recessed hole on the bottom. Screw the half nut on so that the end of the threaded rod is flush with the face of the nut. Once in place, tighten the nut very firmly to pull the half nut into the base. Tighten very firmly to pull the half nut all the way into the recessed hole. Make sure the end of the threaded rod is not sticking out from the base so you don't scratch your bench tops. Learn more about cheese making at greenlivingaustralia.com.au.